I started doing Framer and then Contra like started kind of showing up on my feed too. And I was like, oh, what is this? Like I want to do more freelancing this year, so let's sign in. And Contra was also like kind of the very beginning.
Can you say a word
I
about Contra? Maybe not everybody knows Contra. I think it's pretty cool. I also hired there, but maybe you can share a little
mm,
bit about that as well.
yeah, to me it's like my one-stop shop now. So I tried other freelancing websites as well, but Contra was like I could do everything there, like send proposals, manage the clients, receive payments, message the clients there, and basically have my portfolio there. So like I was using Contra as my portfolio for a little bit, and then also like messaging clients. It's like a one-stop shop there, and like so that's my only tool now for like managing everything. So yeah, that's kind of like I think a very short summary of like what Contra is. And I also yeah, I just always felt like the team was so active on the social media, so like the community was also like pretty engaged and helping build a tool, which I thought it was awesome. I think that's like a summarizes like
Yeah, so you said in the beginning, I had a feeling where I need to be in the getting into the tools early, and it sounds
yeah,
like doing that with Framer and Contra at the same time has worked out for you.